Well, hello again. Surprise, surprise. The clear sky continues. We'll take it, baby. Anyway, we have an 88% moonlit over here in the southeast. And it's coming in really good tonight. It sure does help with the sky being clear. I came out also in hopes of getting Venus, but I don't have the best view over here of the western sky, so it was already down below the houses by the time I came out. Oh yeah, surface is coming out good. Let's look at our spot up here. Yeah, our beams are shining brightly tonight. Question marks showing real well. Let's go over to the other side. Let's see what all shows up. I've got some, I don't know if it's interesting footage, but I came out here about 4:30 to get a little bit of the sun, a little bit of the moon, and as I was reviewing the footage, I saw this white object fly by. It was tilted. It ended up being 4.8 seconds, but whenever I see something like that, I always figure it's a bird or something like that. But as I enlarged the footage in iMovie, I didn't see any wings flapping. I normally can see those when I catch it, or other people put something up and they're not sure what it is. I can normally tell when it's a bird because you can just get a feel for it. But anyway, this one, I didn't see any wings flapping. It kept that tilt to it the whole time as I was watching this plane. It sounded like a small, possibly a biplane or something like that. But so I was working on that footage, and wow, I'm really surprised. This moon's coming in really good tonight. Yeah, baby, we'll take it. It's funny how this bottom side of the moon, the craters and stuff are so much different. But that thing sure to get pelted throughout its lifetime, didn't it? My goodness. And who's to say some of it wasn't fired from down here on Earth up towards it? Who knows? Just about anything could have gone on in our distant past. That's my take on it. Hey, I could be wrong, but I kind of trust my instincts there. With the majority of the planets already in the daytime sky, there's not much more here to see. So, I'm going to wrap this one up and get that whatever object that was flying through my sky this afternoon. I want to get that one up. It could be nothing, but hey, you never know anymore. A lot of stuff going on up there. And as it comes up, we're just going to shut her off, and I'm going to wave goodbye from up here in Ohio on Monday night, sometime in the evening. I don't know, 6:30 p.m. or something like that. I don't know. All right, y'all take care. Bye now. Ah, smiley face. I think I'm blinded though, so don't hold me to it. All right.